Ever pondered the shape of our planet? Is it a perfect sphere, an oblate spheroid, or could it possibly be flat? Welcome, fellow knowledge seekers. As we journey through the cosmos of curiosity, one question often comes to mind: what is the true shape of our Earth? For centuries, humans have theorized and hypothesized, leading to a multitude of ideas. Some say it's a perfect sphere, like a cosmic billiard ball spinning in the celestial pool hall of the universe. Others, with a keen eye for detail, argue it's more of an oblate spheroid, a bit squished at the poles due to its rotation. But then there's a third idea, one that has gained traction in recent years, despite the scientific consensus. The notion that our planet is flat, a disk floating in space. A concept that defies conventional wisdom and challenges our understanding of the world. So, where did this notion of a flat Earth originate? Let's uncover this mystery. The belief in a flat Earth dates back to ancient civilizations. It may seem like a recent phenomenon, but this theory is as old as the hills. The earliest recorded flat Earth belief comes from ancient Babylon, one of the cradles of civilization. The Babylonians envisioned the world as a disk floating in the ocean, a view that was shared by many early civilizations around the globe. Then we move over to ancient Greece, where the seeds of the flat Earth theory were further sown. Notable figures like Thales of Miletus, often regarded as the father of science, and Anaximander, a student of Thales, both believed that the Earth was flat. Thales thought of the Earth as a flat disk floating in water, while Anaximander proposed that it was shaped like a cylinder. While their theories were not accurate, they were the first to attempt to explain the natural world through reason and observation, rather than through myths and legends. These early beliefs were not just the result of ignorance or lack of scientific understanding. They were formed from careful observation of the world. For instance, if you stand in a flat field and look around, the Earth appears to be flat. If the Earth was curved, wouldn't buildings and mountains far away lean away from you? It's important to note that these ancient cultures weren't the outliers. The belief in a flat Earth was widespread, and it held sway for centuries. The idea of a spherical Earth wasn't widely accepted until the classical period of ancient Greece, when philosophers like Pythagoras and Parmenides started to challenge the flat Earth view. However, despite these ancient beliefs, the flat Earth theory didn't gain traction until much later. It would take a revolution in scientific thought and a series of groundbreaking discoveries for the belief in a flat Earth to make its surprising comeback. But that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned for our next segment, as we delve into the birth of the Flat Earth Society and modern beliefs surrounding this intriguing theory. Fast forward to the 19th century, the Flat Earth theory experiences a revival. In this period, a small but vocal community emerged, voicing their belief in an Earth as flat as a pancake. The Flat Earth Society, as it came to be known, was founded in the mid-19th century by Samuel Burley Rowbotham, an English inventor and writer. Rowbotham, under the pseudonym Parallax, became an advocate for what he termed zetetic astronomy, a system that championed the flat Earth concept. According to this view, our planet was not a spinning globe, but a circular disk, with the North Pole at the center and a massive wall of ice marking the outer edge. This concept resonated with some, leading to the establishment of the Flat Earth Society. But why did such a society form? Some say it was a reaction to the rapid advancements in science and technology, a nostalgic clinging to simpler, more easily understood models of the world. Others suggest it was a form of religious fundamentalism, interpreting biblical texts literally to argue for a flat Earth. Yet the Flat Earth Society didn't fade into obscurity with the advent of the 20th century. Instead, it found new life in the digital age. Modern Flat Earth beliefs have flourished on the internet, with social media platforms providing a global stage for these ideas to be shared and debated. Today, the Society and its offshoots continue to challenge mainstream scientific consensus, hosting conferences, producing documentaries, and even planning ambitious experiments to prove their point. The Flat Earth theory, it seems, has embedded itself in our culture, a testament to the enduring power of unconventional thinking. The question then isn't whether the Earth is flat or round. That's been settled by centuries of scientific exploration and discovery. The real question is why, despite all the evidence to the contrary, does the belief in a flat Earth persist? It's a question that leads us not to the stars, but inward, into the fascinating landscape of the human mind. Even in the face of scientific evidence, the flat Earth theory persists. But why? Why would someone believe in a flat Earth in the 21st century? This question often perplexes those who accept the spherical Earth model. To understand this, we must dive into the human mind's fascinating labyrinth. Our brains are wired to seek patterns and explanations, even when none exist. This is where cognitive dissonance comes into play. Cognitive dissonance is the mental discomfort one experiences when holding two or more contradictory beliefs. For example, when faced with overwhelming evidence supporting a spherical Earth, a flat earther experiences cognitive dissonance. They must then choose to either accept the new information and change their belief, or reject the new information to maintain their existing belief. More often than not, people choose the latter, reinforcing their original belief and dismissing contradicting evidence as part of a grand conspiracy. Confirmation bias is another psychological phenomenon that plays a significant role. It's our tendency to favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs while ignoring or rejecting information that challenges them. A flat earther might seek out and pay more attention to articles, videos, or arguments that support a flat Earth, while dismissing scientific evidence of a spherical Earth as manipulated or deceptive. And speaking of deception, the allure of conspiracy theories cannot be overlooked. Believing in a conspiracy theory can provide a sense of superiority, the feeling of being one of the few who knows the truth. It can also provide a sense of community, as believers band together against perceived deception and manipulation. The psychology behind flat Earth beliefs is complex and multifaceted. It's not just about rejecting science or being contrarian, it's about the human mind's intricate workings, our need for understanding, our desire for control, and our fear of the unknown. Understanding the psychology behind these beliefs allows us to see the flat Earth theory in a new light. This perspective not only fosters empathy and compassion towards those with different beliefs, but also serves as a reminder of our own susceptibility to cognitive biases and the allure of conspiracy theories. Scene script. Science has repeatedly debunked the flat Earth theory. Let's explore how. First off, we have photos from outer space. Since the mid-20th century, we've launched countless satellites and even humans into the cosmos. They've sent back images showing our planet as a beautiful blue sphere. Now, some folks might argue these are all part of an elaborate hoax, but the sheer scale and consistency of this imagery over many decades and from different nations makes that highly improbable. Next, let's consider gravity. Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion tell us that objects are attracted to each other based on their mass. The more massive an object, the stronger its pull. Now, if the Earth were flat, gravity would pull everything towards the center, and we'd all be living on a steep incline. But that's not what we experience, is it? The fact that gravity pulls us straight down, no matter where we are on Earth, supports the idea of a spherical planet. Then there's circumnavigation. Since the time of ancient mariners, humans have been able to travel in a straight path and eventually end up back where they started. This wouldn't be possible on a flat Earth. Instead, we'd reach the edge and, well, fall off. But no sailor, pilot, or adventurer has ever reported an edge to our world. Lastly, we have the phenomenon of lunar eclipses. When the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, it casts a round shadow on the moon. This round shadow is consistent with a spherical Earth. Despite the evidence, the flat Earth theory remains. It's a testament to the power of belief and the allure of conspiracy theories. But let's remember, science isn't about belief, it's about evidence. And the evidence overwhelmingly supports a round Earth. So let's keep our minds open, but not so open that our brains fall out, because in the end, it's the truth that sets us free. So we've journeyed from ancient beliefs to modern psychological theories, all centered around the shape of our planet. We've explored the birth and evolution of the flat Earth theory, diving into the minds of those who still hold these beliefs today. In our quest for understanding, we've traversed the annals of history, navigated the complexities of human psychology, and debunked the flat Earth theory using scientific evidence. But remember, it's not about proving someone wrong, it's about understanding why they think the way they do. The Earth is not flat, but the topic is so much more than just a simple truth or falsehood. It's a testament to the power of belief, the intriguing complexity of human cognition, and the endless pursuit of knowledge. If you found this journey as intriguing as we did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.